Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing amazing. Today is day 17 of Vlogmas and today is the day when nothing goes according to the plan. I was planning to go to SOHO and it's pouring rain the whole morning. I couldn't do anything and then my husband was hungry and he asked me to cook. And I was like, you know what? I have nothing in the fridge. There's nothing to cook. And then I realized there were some leftovers and I was like, you know what? Oh, today is the leftovers day. So I'm gonna make a tortilla with leftovers and I made lentils because it's easy and I had put on it some leftovers too. I mean, not leftovers, but you know, whatever left in the fridge. And yeah, today is leftovers day. And I said, you know what, since I'm not going yet outside, let me film this tortilla for you. And you can get also inspired in case, you know, you're like me, you have nothing to cook and you want to eat, obviously, and you don't want to go out. So yeah, that's a good idea to start with. And I still want to go to SOHO. I hope so. Let's cross fingers. But now let's see this recipe, this tortilla recipe. Okay, hey. I'm gonna show you what I put in the tortilla. So basically, it's I have some leftovers from vegetables. So I have broccoli, sweet potato and some Brussels sprouts. I'm gonna throw them or put them in a pan. I forgot to spray some oil, just a little bit. And I'm gonna put it in the stove. So just to warm up. In the meantime, I'm preparing my eggs. So I'm gonna use 4 eggs. Okay, crack the eggs. I'm gonna add some salt on the eggs, pepper, and some paprika or smoked paprika, whatever you prefer. And some Gruyere. You can put whatever. I'm gonna put a half with the eggs and the other half on the top. And of course parsley, because I love parsley. And that's it. I will just mix everything like that. Will go on the top of my vegetables. So I'm gonna wait for my eggs to cook. And also I made some lentil soup with leftovers. I had some carrots and zucchini and I was like, you know what, let me do this. It's very easy and simple and also healthy, but in the same time is made out of leftovers. So leftovers day. Tortilla is ready. I'm just gonna flip it, just like that. Ooh. Okay. I didn't flip it very well. I'm gonna clean the edges. And this is how it looks like. Very healthy, very simple. It takes literally 5 minutes to make. I'm gonna cut it as so. I like to cut it 4. Like that. So yum and very easy. Make it in 5 minutes. I'm gonna have a bite with you guys. Bon appétit. The crunch from the broccoli is really giving something. It's very yummy, super healthy, and bon appetit. The rain didn't stop and I'm going out anyway, and I want to show you my rainy look. I'm wearing my black jeans from Mango, the H&M sweater, and Muji jacket, Anthropologie, and some boots. And let's cross fingers because I don't know how it's gonna be. I just would like to update you. The rain is not as strong as before, and I was about to take the subway, and all of a sudden I saw all the tourists and people walking around taking photos, and I was like, I think I'm the problem. People have no problem with the rain. I think I make a big deal out of it, which in reality, I think it's not a really big deal. And I need to work on that. And by me working on that is walking to SOHO. Yeah, that's a funny part. Yeah. And the good side is that the weather is not that cold. I don't even need to wear gloves, neither a beanie or earmuffs. It's in the 50s, which is really good. And yeah, all good. Hey guys, I just made it to SOHO and I'm really happy I made it. I need to walk because New York, rainy New York is so charming. I think it has a specific charm when the rain is like everything is wet, and yeah, it's really so beautiful and charming. And now, oh, it was loud. And now I'm craving some matcha. I know Blank Street Coffee, they do very nice a peppermint matcha. It's their holiday drink, and I'm just craving it right now. The matcha just hit the spot. It was really so good. Exactly what I needed. Now I will stop by Aritzia. I want to check out. I haven't been in Aritzia in a while. I want to check it out. And also I need a concealer because my NARS one is finished. I need the replacement for the NARS. It's my everyday concealer, so I need a new one. And yeah. And the rain completely stopped, which is amazing. And I'm so happy for that. back home, and it was a really great day. And you know, I'm a Virgo. I tend to overthink everything. And I was like, you know, in the morning, I was like, oh my God, it's raining. The weather is not good. I want to go to SOHO. I want to get the content. And at the end, like, it was so beautiful. And sometimes it happened to me a lot. And I was like, overthink things and build a story about it and say, yeah, this gonna happen and this gonna happen. And at the end, it's even better than what I imagined. Yeah, I think, yeah, we just need to go for the things we want to do. Just go for it and do it no matter what. Yeah, if you're like me, just do it. Don't overthink. I know it's hard because this is how we are. We just overthink everything and we're like, yeah, brain keeps working all the time. But yeah, I'm gonna go shower now, take off my makeup, get cozy, maybe watch a movie, and see you tomorrow. Love you guys.